Hello guys, welcome to the CS Tour. So in this Python tutorial, you are going to learn that how to make interactive plot using Matplotlib and IPy widget. So here you can see that here your sample sine wave, and we can control its amplitude. So yes, here you can see that its amplitude is increasing. And then you can also change its frequency to see how the sine wave looks at higher and lower frequency. So this type of plotting we are going to learn right now. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all we need to import some libraries. So import library. So we can import matplotlib for plotting .pyplot as plt. This is used for plotting, and then you can use widget. So import IPy widgets as widget. Now you can also import interactive control. This is for widget, and then you can also import your interactive control. So from IPy widget import interact. So for interacting, interactive control. Now this much we have done. Now we need to define a sine wave. So define, say sine wave we want to define, and we want to control its amplitude. We want to control its amplitude and frequency. Okay, so amplitude and frequency will vary. Then you can define your sine wave as, you can also define your x. Okay, define your x as a variable np dot linear space, and define from 0 to 2 into np dot pi, and here you need to import numpy. So import numpy as np. So this is for array. Now you need to define your y function. So y equal to amplitude into np dot sine, and then you can define x into your frequency. So this much we have done. Now we can plot it. Okay, so plot it. So plot it. So for that, just simply type command plt dot plot x comma y and give some line width to that plot. Run it. Okay, so this much we have done. Now you need to define your interactive control. Okay, so for that just go here, type interact, interact and pass your sine wave, and then you need to define your amplitude, define your amplitude, and you can give as a integer value, so give as widget dot int slider, and you can give a say value, say your initial value should be 7, then minimum value should be 0, max value should be 10, and you can give the step, a step equal to 0, a step equal to 1. Okay, similarly you can define for frequency f, just copy paste it, and you can make it float if you want, so float, and you can make it say value 7.0, minimum 0, maximum 7.5 in steps of maybe just call it your amplitude and then frequency for more general, and then you can make it here amplitude and frequency. Now run it. Yeah, now it is working. Okay, so we defined in that way. So here you can see that you can also change the color of the plot time being, make it red, and you can make it line style equal to just okay, so leave it simply. Okay, so here you can see that you got a plot here. Now you can vary your amplitude. Okay, so initially there is 0 amplitude, then you can 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can see that here it is varying. You can also put a number from your 4, so it will also change, and you can also vary your frequency. So it's 0 frequency 0, so it's a set line. Then if you vary, you can see that sine wave is getting closely spaced. So this way you can make interactive control to your plot. You can also make it from hand 4.50, so it will return. So this way you can do. You can also give title to this plot, plt dot title, and make it say sine x interactive plot. Run it this way, and you can also give title and label